The next iPhone 15's largest camera update may come with a catch.
The iPhone 15 series is anticipated to see a number of major changes, including something for the cameras, while something intriguing and planned for the Pro models.
A normal iPhone 15 will not be left behind, and it may end up with a 48 megapixels primary snapper.
This has now been tipped again. Popular analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has hinted at the presence of a 48 megapixels primary camera for both the iPhone 15 and the 15 Plus, a jump from the non-Pro model's 12 megapixels configuration. To recall, Apple brought this last year, but this was limited to the iPhone 14 Pro models. And, if a recent rumor is correct, we will see a new stacked CMOS picture sensor with the iPhone 15, which is claimed to capture more light and result in brighter, more detailed photographs. It is stated that this is achievable because to Sony's drive to increase CIS manufacturing for Apple by 100 to 120%.
This might lead to a decline in supply for high-end Android phones.
The iPhone 15 is also said to contain a hybrid lens with a single glass element and 6 plastic components with an aperture of 1.7, which is supposed to capture up to 20% more light. Although there may be a degradation from the iPhone 14's f/1.5 aperture. The presence of a 48 megapixels camera might be amazing for low-cost iPhones that will be able to capture more detailed photographs, but keep in mind that a raw image is rather huge and can take up a lot of space on your iPhone. Nonetheless, it would be nice to see Apple introduce Pro capabilities to non-Pro models. In addition, Apple is likely to incorporate Dynamic Island on the whole iPhone 15 range and might bring about the USB Type-C connector for all 2023 iPhones. There will most certainly be design tweaks, as well as performance and battery upgrades. The iPhone 15 series is anticipated in September, although this might be delayed as well since it is a rumor. We will have to wait for official news from Apple, which should come shortly.
Finally, what are your thoughts about it?
So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.